Let us discuss the second program using the do while loop. So again we will open the saved file. So clicking the file menu and selecting the open option, and in open a file window select the file saved, and that file saved is the experiment6b.c. So open this file by clicking the open tab. So file gets open. So in this file, what code is written for what purpose? So here in the command, program to check whether a given number is palindrome or not. So what is a palindrome number? If we have to check a number is palindrome or not. So if we reverse the digits of a given number, and if the reverse number is same as the previous number, then we say that it is the palindrome number. So how to write a program to check a number for its palindrome? So a code, we will discuss the code written here. So first we include again the standard input output.h and conio.h header files using the preprocessor directive #include. Then within open and close brace of the main function, first statement defines integer variable num, rem, rev and copy. Simultaneously rev is initialized to the value of 0. Rev variable is used for the reverse number. Then clear statement clears anything previously written on the output screen. Printf statement enter a number. This is the message displayed on the output screen whereby user enters a number. That number is taken in by the scanf function and is stored with the variable num. Then next statement copy equal to num semicolon. What is the value of num that is assigned to the left side variable copy? Then using the do while loop, do body of the do while loop, rem equal num modulo 10. Using this statement, we separate the last digit of the number, and that separated digit is assigned to the left side variable rem. Then reverse equal to rev into 10. So what is initial value of rev variable? That is multiplied by the 10 and remainder is added. Then we get the number after separating the last digit, and that is assigned to the left side variable num. So after executing the last statement of the do while loop, condition is tested, that is written after the while keyword. Num not equal to 0. If condition is true, again body of the do while loop is executed, and again we find the remainder. We separate the last digit after last digit, that is from the number we obtained, and then reverse equal to reverse star 10 plus rem. This statement, what is the initial reverse value, that is multiplied by 10 and remainder is added. Then we again find the number after separating the last digit of the number. So in this way, this is going to be repeated till condition is true, and at the last we find that when value of num equal to becomes 0, then condition becomes false and controls comes out of the while loop. out of the while loop, we see that if statement is there. So using if statement, we check the condition if rev equal copy. So here it is a relational operator. So using a relational operator, we check value of rev is equal to value of copy. Copy contains the entered number. So if reverse number is same as the entered number, this condition is true. When condition is true, we print palindrome, that is entered number is palindrome. If condition is false, then next message not palindrome, entered number is not palindrome. Now let us compile this one before running the program. So clicking the compile menu, and from the drop down menu again we select the compile option. So compiling window here shows warning 0 and error 0. Now we can run the program because no bug is present in our entered code. So clicking the run menu, and from the drop down again click the run. Message enter a number is displayed. So suppose here we enter 345, and if we press the enter key, not palindrome is displayed, because if we reverse the number 345, we get the 543. Naturally 345 is not equal to 543. That's why it is displayed as it is not a palindrome number. Now if we again run this program, and this type enter the 121 and press the enter key, palindrome, that is this number is palindrome. If we reverse the number, we get again the 121. It means that it is a palindrome number. So in this way, using the do while loop, we can test a entered number by the user is palindrome or not.